Alright guys, so the beginning stages of slapping in the LS in this frame. I'm gonna try to go ahead and take care of that while I have some parts on order. I ordered 2 bars. Actually, I got to pick them up from the metal supply store, but the parts that I have on order are those Johnny joints. I just want to duplicate what's here and then put them up here, 2 more, and then boom, that way, like I've talked about. Now for this is just a standard, I think it's a CPP transmission cross member. It's not welded in, it's just holding up the transmission for right now, but this is a LS out of a 5.3 out of a truck. It's got the iron block, aluminum heads. I'm not sure if the owner's gonna pull this out and rebuild it, but that's gonna be up to him. So what I do is I typically use 1 2x4 and 2 I don't know what size those are, 2 of those. It's smaller than 2 2x4 stacked together, and it gives me pretty good clearance of what I need. Typically when I'm installing these, I don't have all this accessory stuff on her, but I ended up taking off the manifolds. They're over there on the ground somewhere, and they do sit pretty low. So sometimes, like, the customer will get a shoot, what is it? Probably like an LS1 pan that has a shorter sump, you know, so it's not so deep. Right there, it's actually pretty centered, but what I need to find out is I need to measure from there to there to make sure that I have enough firewall clearance, especially since I don't have the cab and the body and all that. But all right, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I'm gonna have to drop that because that shit's got to go underneath there. So